Most people use Claude AI to answer questions. But what if you use Claude like a project assistant that helps organize your ideas, your tasks, your deadlines, and your entire workflow? Whether you're running a business, managing a team, creating content, or just trying to keep a big project from becoming a mess, these Claude workflows can save you hours. Let's start with one of the hardest parts of any project: getting started. Most projects don't fail because people aren't working hard. They fail because nobody has a clear plan. Instead of staring at a blank document, open Claude and explain what you're trying to do. Try something like, "I'm launching a new project. Help me create a plan with phases, milestones, deadlines, priorities, and possible problems I should prepare for." Claude can take that messy idea in your head and turn it into an organized roadmap. The best part? You don't have to get it perfect. Tell Claude what changed and update the plan as you go. Next, meeting notes. This is where people lose so much time. You sit through the meeting, you take random notes. Then you spend another half hour trying to organize everything. Instead, paste your notes into Claude and say, "Turn this into a summary with decisions, action items, owners, and deadlines." Claude can clean it up and make it something your entire team can actually use. The third workflow is communication. Because let's be honest, most project updates are either too long, too confusing, or nobody reads them. Tell Claude, "Write a project update explaining what happened this week, what's next, and what needs attention." Then choose your tone: professional, friendly, short, detailed. Claude adapts the message. Number 4 is one most people don't think about: finding problems before they happen. Give Claude your project plan and ask, "What could go wrong with this project? And how should I prepare?" Claude can help spot missing steps, unclear responsibilities, and possible delays. It's like having someone review your plan before problems show up. And finally, learning from finished projects. Most people finish something and immediately move on. But that's how you repeat the same mistakes. Give Claude what happened and ask, "What worked, what didn't work, and what should I change next time?" Now your next project starts smarter. Here's the important part: Claude AI doesn't replace the person making decisions. It removes the boring work around the decisions, the formatting, the organizing, the rewriting, the planning documents, so you can focus on the part that actually needs you. If you want more real-world Claude AI workflows for work, creativity, and everyday life, subscribe and follow along. See you tomorrow.